How to create a multiple choice question. In this video, we will demonstrate how to construct a multiple choice question in the question bank. Let's get started. First, go to your course page and click on the More tab. From the drop-down menu, select Question Banks. You will see a section listed Question Banks in this course and a section listing other activities with questions. Click on the System Shared Question Bank to access the question bank. There is a drop-down menu located at the top left of the question bank page. In this menu, you will see the options: questions, export, import, and categories. From the menu, select Categories. You will be taken to the Categories page where you will see all categories available for this course. We are going to use a pre-existing category. To create a category, reference the video, How to Use the Question Bank. Part 1, the link is in the description. Click your chosen category. To add a multiple choice question to a category, click on Create a New Question. This will open up a catalog that displays a variety of questions and question types. From this catalog, select the question type, multiple choice, and click Add. This will bring you to the question editing interface. These are just the general settings that you can edit for all questions. Here you can edit the question name, text, status, mark allocation, general feedback, and ID number. Let's quickly go through the general settings for our question. We will first insert the question name and question text. Note that the question text is the question itself. For this demo, we will keep the rest of the general settings as default. Next, we can move on to the unique multiple choice setting. The one or multiple answers section allows for multiple answers. If you wish to create multiple correct answers, set the grade to 50% for 2 correct answers and 33% for 3 correct answers, and so on. The Shuffle the Choices feature. If enabled, the order of the answers are randomly shuffled for each attempt, provided that Shuffle Within Questions in the activity settings is also enabled. The Number the Choices feature allows for specialized numbering. We will also keep these as default and insert our answers. We will insert the standard 4 answer options and make 1 correct by setting the grade to 100%. Once you are finished editing the question settings, click on the Save Changes button. To add a question to a quiz from the question bank, reference the video, How to Add a Question to a Quiz Part 2. The link is in the description. So now you can construct a multiple choice question in the question bank.